Hello, it's been a while. Well, at least it's been a while since I spoke to the camera and spoke to you guys. The last video was just a indoor, in the house carpet board session with no talking. So it's been a while in this respect at least. And this video is going to be nothing special. I'm just going to do a few tricks at the skate park, and that's just because I've not done a video in a while and I feel like I need to post one. So I'm just going to film a few tricks at the skate park and post it as a video. So it's nothing extraordinary great in this video, but hopefully there'll be some cool tricks for you guys to see. And why there's not been so many videos as of late, and that's because the videos I'm filming are all multiple day videos. I'm actually in the process of probably filming like 3 or 4 videos all at the same time. They're all in different sessions, and it's just not all complete. None of them are all complete yet, but they will all come out probably all about the same time, and we'll get a big raft of loads of videos coming all at once. And that's the reason why there's been a lackluster of videos at the minute. And then, as I explained on my channel update video where I did the Skater XL gameplay in the background, I had been ill before that as well, and the weather was very shocking. Finally we're getting a bit dry weather, but I think it's about to change to rain again. So again, it could be a while for the other videos to come out if it does end up with a lot of rain like we had last time. But hopefully I'll get them videos all wrapped up and finished. And for today, let's just see some tricks at Balderstone Skatepark, shall we? And I didn't even touch that.